Hey everyone, and welcome to the regular channel on this Saturday, March 5th, 2022. good thing good thing I didn't say 2021. Well, we got a weather update right now as I turn on the weather channel. We have a wind advisory in effect for northwest Pennsylvania and northeast Ohio's, as well as central Ohio's. From 7 o'clock to 4 o'clock tomorrow. It said gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, and the tree lines go down, and a few power outages. And prepare caution as well as use extra caution on there too. So again, wind advisories in effect till 7 o'clock tomorrow through 4 o'clock tomorrow. And here's the forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy with some rain, possible thunder. And then tomorrow, 20 to 30 miles per hour southwest winds, and highs like 67, and higher gusts possible. And then tonight they say rain, likely, especially overnight. Low of 36, and a chance of rain 100%, and rainfall near 1/4 of an inch. But tonight they say 80% chance of rain and a rumble of thunder as well. So we're expecting winds gusts could below around, we're expecting like 20 to 30 miles per hour, and gusts up to 50 or something. That's why. So that's a toughie. Maybe we're saying winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour, and pretty good right now. with the winds. So possibly have some power lines go out too as well as power outages included as well. So so by we get up like tomorrow here, it's going to be 20, at least 20 miles per hour and wind wise. Good thing as well as good thing we hold off the rain till tonight as well as tomorrow night into Monday. Hopefully with the train videos and stuff. Hopefully, I done train videos in the rain and snow stuff, and I did 1-2 train videos in storms though too, but that's about it. That's why. And then tomorrow's high is supposed to get around 67. Some places might reach 70 tomorrow. Especially here in Erie or Western Pennsylvania or something. Pretty good. With the wind gusts and stuff, and supposed to get down like 36 tonight or tomorrow, and down to 25 on temperature. Should be falling by tomorrow, or I'm sorry, Monday, with the rain possible. Potential for a heavier rain as well, and so see if maybe they'll switch it here in a second. There's that wind advisory on again. Temperature on the thing said 60, and so was the feel like. But on the Weather Channel it said, that's Facebook. 59 and feels like 57 and or something like that. Pretty good. Pretty good weather, like for the next couple days, but back and forth on the rain or something. Alright, that's gonna be it. Again, that's gonna be it for this video. Again, we got a wind advisory in effect for northwest Pennsylvania and northeast and north central Ohio's from 7 o'clock till from first thing tomorrow morning through tomorrow late afternoon into evening, and it's supposed to have a potential for rain tonight, and tomorrow night is supposed to call for rain. It is just tonight is supposed to have a rumble of thunder, not tomorrow night, because it's supposed to get down to the 30s. So originally it was going to say rain tomorrow, but instead they're saying rain tonight with a rumble of thunder possible too. So, and then tomorrow we're supposed to get 20 to 30 miles per hour winds, along with gusts over 50 miles per hour. And few power outages as well. So, interesting. Alright, we're going to get off, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel on YouTube. Don't forget, I got a premiere tonight at 7:30. It's about our 45th wedding anniversary of Aunt Jane and her husband. So they'll be up tonight. That's the only thing. I don't have anything on the Train Expert channel tonight, but I do have the premiere tomorrow, sometime tomorrow. I got a premiere tomorrow. Trying to find it. I already checked the trains. There was nothing there because I knew today was Saturday and there was no train there today. They did have train run last Saturday, but that's it.
Going on 5 o'clock.
I didn't think so. Well, I'm sorry. I said no to the camera, and I'm sorry. I'm trying to find the premiere for tomorrow. I do have the premiere tonight at 7 o'clock, or 7:30 actually. It's about their wedding. It's about Aunt Jane's wedding anniversary. I'm trying to find the premiere. I don't have anything on the train page today. But I do have one thing premiered on the regular page tonight. Oh, I have a premiere tomorrow. Where's the premiere?
Let's get 2 Salisbury steaks. I got 1 meat
Oh.
and 1 Salisbury steak. Want them in biscuits?
Yeah, I got a premiere at 7:30 tomorrow. It is a trainless video, but it's about the holidays. We're almost done. We're pretty much be done with the 2021 trains here on our expert, right here on the expert channel. But still, so that's gonna be it for us, and we'll be back on tonight at 7:30 about that, about Aunt Jane's wedding anniversary. And then don't forget, I have a premiere tomorrow at 7:30 on the Train Expert channel. Talk to you later.